Exiii the Japanese-based startup has this week revealed more details about two new force feedback haptic gloves it is currently developing in the form of the EXOS Wrist and EXOS Gripper. The VR EXOS Wrist offer is a device that can rotate your hand around two axes, while the gripper provides finger stoppage to simulate the ability to grab objects in virtual reality. If you are interested in supporting the haptic gloves with your virtual reality application, gain more experience, Exiii has created development kits for both versions, which are now available to enterprise customers, providing the ability to use a Unity SDK and integrating them into VR experiences. Exiii explains that car manufacturer Nissan is currently using the EXOS gloves in their global design center, where Nissan designers use virtual reality as part of their vehicle design process. When users reach out to touch virtual objects, the motors can twist the hand to simulate an opposing force. The company says actions like pressing virtual buttons and even the kick of a virtual gun can be effectively simulated. Unfortunately, no information on pricing or worldwide availability has been released as yet by Exiii, but as soon as information comes to light, we will keep you updated as always.